Now, I should also mention one of the qualms of Model X in 2024 is that when compared to other Tesla models, it is missing some pretty significant features. No RGB ambient lighting, no steer-by-wire like Cybertruck, and also the floor mats it comes with, especially for the price, aren't very good. That's why I'm currently equipping my Model X with some amazing all-weather liners custom made to perfectly fit in my Tesla, made by this video sponsor Lasfit. I have been using their mats on, I think, all of my Teslas, Model 3, Model Y, now the Model X. I've tested them on a lot of different models, and they have been fantastic, and they're the mats I'm using right now in my Model X that you're seeing in this video. Lasfit has got an incredible selection of all-weather liners for basically like almost every vehicle on the road, including the entire Tesla lineup, and there's a couple of reasons why I love them so much. One is sort of the aesthetics. They match the interior of your Tesla really, really well, and also they're made of super high-quality TP material that is both durable, so if there's scratches and scuffs and dirt and debris flying inside of your car like there is with my 2.5-year-old in the back, it's going to sort of withstand all that. Plus, I love that it is super easy to clean. Get a little water in there, wipe away all the dust and debris, and it looks good as new. I love that these are also custom made for the Tesla, so they're gonna fit really well. There's not gonna be any awkward components here. It's gonna fit in your Tesla really well. Of course, super easy to just drop them in and you're good to go. And I love the peace of mind knowing that all the most important parts of my Tesla are protected, because if you're gonna buy a Model 3, Model Y, especially a Model X, you're spending this money, you want your Tesla interior to be protected, and the stock base mats that Tesla gives you, if they even give you mats, really aren't very good. You want some all-weather liners that are durable, tough. You want them to be able to withstand the elements, whether that be a rainstorm or a little bit of water that hits the ground of your car. You want it to be able to withstand all that, and these Lasfit liners have been amazing. I love these Lasfit liners. I know you guys are gonna love them as well, so if you wanna learn more, check them out for yourself today and give your Tesla a much-needed upgrade and fix one of the biggest missing pieces of your car, and that is some really nice all-weather mats.